Hi guys, and welcome to another video of TechNet. And in this video, we will talk about DHCP and link aggregation control protocol in Cisco, which is EtherChannel, we call it as well. So how I can show you how we can perform this. Okay. So first we will take two switches and we will make a ether channel. So this is the technology which is only used in Cisco, not in any other Juniper or any other technologies. Okay, so this will be only used in Cisco, and we normally use this in Cisco switches. So let's say if we have 10 people here in this department which are connected on this switch or this area of the building, and another department is here, or even you need this technology because you have a one router which is connected with one of the switch, right? And you need, so this router is connected here, and then you need to connection from this one to here as well. So let's say if the DHCP is all controlled by the router, how we can move this cross from this switch to the switch 3. Okay, and so let's start now. We will do the cabling first. So it's the same technology, so we will use crossover cables. So I go with 3 cables. So idea behind this is that the switch will consider these 3 ports, 3 cables as a ether channel, as a one logical port. So if any of the cable is broken, the system will perform because it will consider as that one unit, one logical port to this 3. Okay, so let's start now and we can do it. So we'll configure interface if. So this is a range. We will select from range, so that's why I will select interface range. If is 0 by 1 to 3, and switch port mode trunk. So trunk basically allow all the traffic. When you give access, then there's a two ports of the port. One is trunk, which allow all the traffic. Let's say you have 50 VLANs, it will allow all 50 VLANs traffic over the port. But if you allow access, then you have to select all the VLANs that you would like to allow that port and the traffic for the VLAN to go across from. Okay, so we will do trunk. So I have enabled the trunk. Now I will select the ether channel. So channel group 1 mode is active. So just remember this, okay? On the one switch and one side has to be active, another side, another switch need to be passive, okay? So this switch we have make it switch 2 as active, and do WR. I would like to remember this configuration in the switch, so this will write the configuration in the switch. Now we will go on another switch, and so other switch is active. Now this switch will be the passive. Enable config key and interface range if is 0 by 1 to 3, and switch port mode trunk. So switch port mode trunk, and now we will select channel group on this side as well, and this channel group is 1, so ID has to be the same on both sides. Okay, and mode, this one would be passive. Do WR. Now you see there's a port status is changed on both sides. Now I connect this router with this switch port 24. Okay, CLI, and I will enable DHCP on this one. So now enable config D and interface if is 0 by 0, because it is only one, so I'm selecting only one. And IP address on this one is 192.168.1.1. Subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. No shut. Okay. Exit. Now I will enable the DHCP. So my IP DHCP pool is my pool cache 1. Network is 192.168.1.0. Sorry, 255.255.255.0, and default router is 192.168.1.1. So it will be the same address that we actually gave here, okay, but not the subnet mask, because this is our interface address and this will be the same default router address. And if you want to give DNS, it's up to you, but we don't want to, because we won't be using it, so that's why we are not using that. Exit, and the var. Okay, and let's see if we are able to get the address on this PC here and this PC here. So first we start from here, 4, and this one. We will do the same here as well. So PC address is selected as static, so I will change it to DHCP, but if that port is still down, so I just wait for it anyways. There you go. So you have straight away DHCP request successful from this router, and we are able to connect switch port as well, EtherChannel as well. Still though, now the beauty of the port channel is if one of the link is down, then you would be still able to communicate. Okay, so let's say I remove this one of the cable, and now if I can see if the functionality is still there, and there you go. So there's no communication broken in between here, and we will check the same thing here on this switch. And this is the practice that any enterprise, or if you're going to work in any organization, this is the practice you need to follow if you would like to have a DHCP server or DHCP with the router, but ether channel required in between. Okay, thanks guys. In next video we will come up with another video. We might use a DHCP server, and then we will start working from there. Okay, thank you.